Governor. Governor. Hey.
Hello, Governor.
Hey, Governor, what are you doing? Oh, sorry about it.
Is he gonna do it again?
Probably.
I got it.
There he goes. There he goes.
What the hell?
He really wants to go outside.
I'm getting like almost a solid minute of him doing this. It's at 45 seconds.
Look, he doesn't even care. Okay.
He's got crazy ears.
Excuse me. Excuse me, Governor.
He really wants Sully to come back.
He misses Sully.
What? He's crazy.
Okay, I'm gonna stop. My hand's getting tired.